We have Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with this defect. This part of the screen is always white. Also, this phone missing protective camera cover right here. Phone is in good condition, and we're gonna replace the screen, although touch is working, and let's start heating it up. You can use your hair dryer to heat it, and then you need to start peeling off this glue between cover and the frame. Also, you can use alcohol to make it even easier. Peeling this glue begins with one plastic foil. You can use your credit card. So when you open this cover, you start unscrewing screws. 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and then you need to lift it up like so. Also, it is a good thing to turn it off before you start disassembling it. And here you unplug these cables, and the battery you need to unplug first. Also need to unscrew here upper plastic stuff with 5 screws. Here I clean this speaker. And now I'm trying to disassemble cameras with 2 screws. And now you need to lift your main board, like so. Also, it's important not to forget to unscrew lower board, subboard, with 6 screws. Lift it up and unplug these cables. So you can start replacing your screen. Also, you need to heat it, and again you need to peel glue between screen and frame with alcohol and your credit card. If your screen is already broken, so you no need to be attentive and cautious. But if your screen is working, it's better to be more attentive and slower. And here I try really my best to see the screen because the touch is working, but I didn't do this. I actually cracked screen. Not cracked, but this glass came off of the screen. You will see this. You can see it here clearly. When you already disassembled your display, you need to clean the frame properly, not broke your new screen. Here I put some glue on the frame after it cleaned and attentively put the display on the frame and the cable in the hole specifically made for it. Also, I put rubber bands to put pressure on screen to be glued strongly. After 2 hours, I finally remove these rubber bands and we're putting main board in its place and this upper plastic cover. After we put all screws, we need to connect these 3 cables. First one is upper one and then not middle one but the lower one, because now I need to unplug it and then to plug lower one, then middle one. Also put wireless charging with lower plastic cover, and here I am checking whether it's working with new display and finishing assembling the phone with screwing the last screws. Again checking whether it's working properly. Put your back cover, tighten it with rubber bands and heat it up so it can be 100% secure and properly glued. Here I accidentally removed a protective camera cover and put it back. And now finally this display is installed and working properly, waiting for its new user.